TurboTeq Miele Floorhead is fairly expensive floor head. In fact, you could buy another vacuum cleaner for the same price. So before buying it, you should be sure that it would work for you. List of compatible vacuum cleaners. It's called a TurboTeq because it has got a brush which is attached to a roller, and when you turn on the vacuum cleaner, this roller would start to rotate because of the suction power of the vacuum cleaner. This roller is very good for picking up threads, hairs, including pet hairs, and fluff, especially from the carpet, particularly short to medium pile carpets. It has also got 4 wheels, which helps it to keep a distance of 1.5 millimeters from the floor. That's one of the main reasons why it's so easy to use this floor head on carpets. In contrast, if you try to use a regular floor head on a carpet, it just doesn't move, even though the regular floor head has got a carpet mode. On some carpets, you won't even be able to move the floor head as it so much sticks to the carpet. In contrast, TurboTeq floor head moves very easily on carpet and doesn't stick because of the 4 wheels and the 1.5 millimeter gap. It makes vacuuming carpets so much easier. When using this turbo floor head on deeper, denser pile carpets, the piles of the carpet could seal the inlet of the floor head and hence slow down the roller brush. Luckily, you could then fix this problem by opening the air inlet valve, which is located at the top of the floor head, and all you got to do is to turn it 180 degrees to completely open the valve. Now you should be able to use this turbo floor head on thicker piles as well. However, when you're using this floor head on short pile carpets, make sure to close this air inlet valve in order to have the maximum roller brush speed and suction power for the selected setting. You should not use this on highly valuable hand knotted carpets and rugs. For example, don't use it on Persian rugs as it could pull the threads of your rug and damage it. Also, it's not recommended to use on uneven surfaces as the brush could come into contact with the floor and cause some damage. However, I was able to use this floor head effectively on laminate floor and ceramic floors. The biggest problem is hairs could get entangled around the roller brush. So to be able to remove these hairs, first unplug the vacuum cleaner, then find the groove on the roller brush. If you can't see it, you need to turn it with your hand to bring the groove up, and then use a hair scissor, put it in between the groove and the hairs and start cutting. And then with your hand pull out the hairs and use a vacuum cleaner to clean up these hairs. Another disadvantage of the TurboTeq floor head as compared to the EchoTeq Plus is that it is more noisy, which makes sense because TurboTeq has got a rotating roller brush and that it's 1.5 millimeter away from the floor. The rotating brush increases the noise and the 1.5 millimeter gap helps the noise to escape. This is the noise with the TurboTeq head. This is the noise with the EchoTeq Plus head. Even though TurboTeq has got a higher noise, it is still worth it for vacuuming carpets. The head has a very good flexibility and it can rotate 360 degrees. To remove the floor head, simply hold this tab and pull out the head. To insert the floor head, align the floor head in this way so that the tab and the groove are aligned, and then insert the head in. So I totally recommend this floor head for the people who have lots of carpet floorings. In fact, I find it impossible to vacuum carpets without having this turbo floor head. The vacuum cleaner is also brilliant, which has very low noise and very high suction power. You can find the Amazon links of the vacuum cleaner and the Floorhead in the description. Miele C3 Cat and Dog version already comes with TurboTeq Floorhead and hence it's more expensive. I find Cat and Dog description very misleading because TurboTeq is actually the best Floorhead for carpets regardless of whether you got cats, dogs or long hairs. If there is something that I've missed in this video or you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I will update the description and the pinned comment if I find new information or any other experiences using this Floorhead in the future. And please like and subscribe to support my channel and to help others find this video.